Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to install a new part that I received from Eagle Lights. Link will be in the description below. I just wanted to let you know that I did receive this for free from Eagle Lights, but I will give you my honest opinion about it, and I'll show you how to install this. But it's something I wanted to add to the bike, and they were gracious enough to send it to me. Eagle Lights, you know, I've been adding a lot to them, a lot to the bike. If you use my link, you get 15% off your entire order, anything you order. 100% guarantee. Have an issue, contact them. They'll take care of the problem. Great company. They're out of Connecticut, and they ship real fast. I get the stuff in 2 days. But anyway, let me show you what they sent me. Okay, part number 9500B FTS Eagle Lights for the Road Glide LED fork light cover. Yes, fork light cover. It's going to replace this here underneath your headlight. See, underneath your fairing, you got this little plastic thing. It's going to replace this, and there's going to be a light. And like always, does not come with instructions, but it has one of those QR codes. So all you got to do is turn your camera on, boom, and it goes right to the how-to instructions, and you just put in the part number, and you can download your instructions. Easy, easy peasy. Okay, it's packaged here, and let me get it out of the package. All right, got it out of the package here. Comes with a couple of zip ties. Got your light, all your wiring, and it has a couple foam pads. Okay, what we need to do is, stick the foam pads on here somehow. I think they go like this on each side of the lights. But anyway, and this plugs into your headlight, and then these plug into your signals. All right. So, the first thing you need to do is take off your whole fairing, okay? There's videos out there. You can watch other videos. You can watch one of my earlier videos where I take out the fairing. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I already have it off, which, if you watch my last Eagle Lights video, you know I didn't put it back together. So, and then the next thing you need to do is you need to take out your headlight. And I'll get set up to do that. To take out the headlight, you got to take out 4 bolts. Boom, boom. There's one up here, and one down here. And they're 3/16 Allen. So just take those out. Before you totally take out your headlight, there's this little silver panel here with a couple plugs on it, push pins. I'm just going to pry this off here, pry the push pins off, because it's connected to the headlight. It won't let me take the headlight totally out. And I'm just gonna there. Okay. See, a couple push pins. And I'll just let that hang right there. Then I'm gonna finish taking out the headlight. Okay. I got all 4 bolts out, and this should just come right out now, I think. I've never taken this out, so let's see. Here we go. I think, right? Okay. And right on the top, here's your plug for your headlight. It's just a flat plug. Just lift up, and it should slide right out. There we go. Comes right out. Ta-da! Now you just set that off to the side. And there's your plug. Next step is to take out this bolt on each side of the bike to take off this little plastic cover. It's, let's see here, T40. Real easy. Boom. Cover comes right off. Voila. While you have this off, you might want to just clean this up a little bit. So the next thing to do is to take these foam pads and just stick them on here on each side. There we go. That's all you need to do. Okay? Next thing to do is to stick this on, bolt it back up, and run your wires up through the fork. Just kind of stick this on. Gonna kind of, let's see here, run the wires up through first. There's one of them. One of my signal wires. Gotta go around. Running wires are kind of a pain. Next, I'll run this side up through. Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Run the headlight wire up through. Oh, that's a big one. All right, that's the hard one here, huh? Whew. It's a little hard getting that big plug in there. Okay. This one in there too. There we go. All right. Now, here's your original headlight plug. Now that plugs into this. The new adapter. There we go. And then now your headlight will plug into this when you put it back in to the Eagle Light plug. Okay? Now, we can put this up there. Get all our wires up. And put the screws in. Okay? Put your screws back in. Okay. Not that tight. Grab your headlight. Take the plug from Eagle Lights. And plug it in. There we go. And then set it back into place. And there we go. And put the screws back in. The headlight. There we go. Now before I put this all back together here, let me just check out the lights to make sure they work. Bam! Holy crap, those are bright. Signal. Uh-oh. I got a little malfunction here. All right. They do work. But I might have to resync again. Let me see. Let me read the instructions. And I'll be right back.
1 week later.
Okay, we have a little issue. This portion of the video I'm recording a week later. Last week, it was Friday evening. I was putting this together. When I got the fairing put back on and I went to plug in the signals, this is the signals from the fairing, right there, with the fork light, and you plug them in here. The fork lights were mispinned, miswired. The plugs are mispinned, so I'll show a better picture right here. But the pins do not, the wires do not line up. So when they were plugged in, I was not getting my running lights. The wires are miscrossed. Like I've told you before, if you have any issues with Eagle Lights, just contact them. So I contacted Eagle Lights by email. Of course, this was Friday evening last week. Eagle Lights, they're Monday through Friday company. I don't think they're open on the weekends. But first thing Monday morning, they replied to my email. And, of course, I sent them a picture. They said, yeah, oh yeah, it looks like they're, the plugs are mispinned. They said that they'd send me out another one. They shipped it out Monday evening. I got it here Thursday. Today's Friday again. So I'm gonna take the fairing back off and take the fork light back off and put in the new one and see how it works. But like I said, easy, 100% warrant guarantee. So they replied right back, sent it right out to me, boom. I have to ship back the other one, of course, but they gave me the return label. So after I get this off, I'll ship it back to them. And, hey, let me get this installed.
A few moments later.
Okay, I got the new fork light put on. That's repinned. And I got everything back on and everything plugged back in. So let's check it out, see if it works this time. All the lights are on now. All right. Whew. Bright. Everything is on. Holy crap, this is going to be bright going down the road. Signal. All right, the radiator ones are a little bit off. Everything works good now. There have been some complaints about the radiator lights not syncing up as good with the rest of the lights. So I'm gonna try to do the resync thing, and see if that works or not. Okay, to resync, you turn your ignition on, hit your hazards, and then turn your ignition off and let them run for 2 minutes. That's what I'm doing right now. Let them run for 2 minutes, then shut them off, and then turn your ignition back on and check them out. All right, I resynced. Let's turn these back on. They are nice and bright. So here's the signals again. Those lower radiator grill lights, everything's pretty close. Not exact. Yeah, I think it looks good anyway. Let's try the other signal. Yeah, it's close. I like them. It's going to brighten up the front of this bike though. Woo-hoo. Hopefully people see me now. That's a lot of light. That is a lot of light coming off of there. Okay. I like it. Turn the ignition off. All right, what do you think? I like them. It is brightening up the front of my bike real good. I don't do a lot of driving at night, but I should be able to see the road. And I should be, and I live out in the country, so I should be able to see if any deer is going to be coming out. That's my major concern. I want to see the road. Also, during the daytime, other cars, side roads and stuff. Hopefully they won't pull out in front of me because they'll be able to see me coming down the road now. But hey, leave a comment. What do you think? But anyway, Eagle Lights. Link in the description below. 15% off your entire order if you use my link. And this was a good example of their warranty. All right? I had, like I said, had a little issue with the plugs being mispinned, miswired. So I contacted them. They sent me out a new one right away. A couple days to get here. Friday, this is Friday. I tried to install it last Friday. A week, all right? So anyway, they took care of the situation. I'm liking how the bike's coming out with all the lights from Eagle Lights. Great company, so check them out. But that's the end of today's video, and you all know what to do, all right? Hit all those buttons. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit that thumbs up, and leave a comment. What do you think? And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and goodbye.